So let's continue building our homepage. Okay, we created this header, and after the header part of it, and we're gonna have our main section. So div class name, we're gonna have the image of one of our bored apes and the about section. Okay, so in the about section, we're gonna try to explain more about our collection, like what we are trying to build. Okay, what is it? So it's h full, full width, and we're gonna make it a container. The max width is the same as the header. It's 5x large, and margin auto, mx auto. It's a flex and flex column, and the items will be centered also in some padding top first. So let's close this div. What is wrong with this? There is something wrong. Yeah. Huh. Okay. And inside this, we have another div flex call item center, and max width will be for x large, and we will be full width, and we're gonna have a link here which is gonna direct the user to minting page. Okay, page ref will be to mint and pass ref, so the bottom a tag is gonna get this href. So for the a tag we have class name, and we have margin top 16, it's font coiny, and we're gonna make it uppercase, and it will be inline flex, item center, and what else? Padding X will be 6, and padding Y will be 2, text SM, and for bigger screens the text will be 2x large, and the fonts will be medium, and let's make it text center. It will be rounded also. I know this is too much, but just bear with it. Let's say text rows. Actually, don't make it rows, okay? Maybe pink. It's actually text brand. Okay, which one? Let's make it green. Text brand green. Okay, this is awesome. And when we hover it, the BG will be BG green. Okay, which one? The 800s. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not sure, but let's continue. Close the A tag. And inside the A tag, we're gonna say go to minting page. So this is gonna direct the user to the minting page. Okay, oops, I'm sorry. Go to minting page, and we're gonna have this SVG also. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. And actually, let's change the screen back to rows because it was better. Rows 500s, and for the hover, it's also going to be rows 600. Okay, it looks like this, and let's change the text to white. When hovered, let's make it white. Yeah, this is better. So this is going to take the user to the minting page. And after this, we will have the image and the about section, right? So we're gonna have this class name and flex column, it's the column direction, and for bigger screens it will be item center, I'm sorry, item start actually. And for the smaller screens, it will be item center. And there is this margin top 16. Remove it. Justify center and text center. And font will be, of course, the Coiny. And let's say the text will be gray 800. The px will be 4, and for bigger screens the px will be 0. We don't need it. And padding y will be 10 also. Okay, awesome. So let's close the div, and inside that we're gonna have this h2 tag, and we will say about bored apes. I'm sorry, bored apes. Okay. And this h2 will have some classes. It will be an font bold and text 2x large. So I'm sorry, it will be inside actually. Text 2x large. Yeah, this one. And for bigger screens, the text will be bigger. So it's 4x large and also uppercase. Okay, this is how it looks like. So we can put some space inside this, but we don't need it. So after the H2, we're gonna have this description part, the P tag. And up above, we're gonna put the image actually. So for the P tag, we have some classes also, margin top 6, and it's text large. I found this description from the internet, and for the CryptoPunks, we're gonna type bored apes, right? So bored apes are a collection of not that much, but it's okay. You can change this to your needs. So let's put some margin top, like margin top 10 will be good. Maybe 14 will be good. Okay, and we will have the image here. We will have a bored ape image just to show our users, right? So we can use the this, where is it, build directory, and there was these images, and I can use one of them, maybe this one. This is not, this is much cooler. Okay, let's open this and open the public, and inside public we're gonna create the images folder, and we will have this 9 png here also. Maybe we can add some more pngs. This is a cool one actually. Okay, let's add this here. It's 9 and 13, right? We're gonna pick one. So let's okay, so let's put the image here. Let's put another div and get this div inside of this div also, and let's say the bored ape image. Yeah, and the class name will be flex column md flex row. It will be row for bigger screens, and md for bigger screens there will be a space, and for the smaller screens we're gonna make it space y10 item center, and give it some margin top 20. And for bigger screens we're gonna make this margin top, actually let's remove it. We're gonna make it full width for smaller screens, And inside that, we're gonna have this image. We can use the next image, but I'm not going to do that. And what was the number? It was 9 or 13, right? We're gonna use images 9 PNG here, and we will have our class names for the image. We're gonna make it with 64, and for the height we're gonna make it 64. It will be rounded MD. And object cover. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's pretty awesome actually. And maybe we can change the image, but I'm gonna use 9 for this tutorial. So this is our home page. We've done it. So for the Next.js title and the description, we can create a config file and keep them there. Okay, let's create our config file. So when you want to change things, it's gonna be much simpler. So let's say dap config and JS. So we're gonna have this config file. We're gonna have the title of the application and the description. Okay. And save this. And now we're going to export this config file. Yeah. Okay, so for the title, we're gonna make it Bored Ape Dap. And for the description part, I'm gonna say a showcase dap, which is built for you to create your own, right? Okay, save this. And now we're gonna import this config file from the dap-config.js. So let's import it, import config. And I'm going to change this create next tab to config.title. And you can see there's a change. So whenever you come and change the title from the dap-config.js file, then the whole Next.js app title will change. So for the description, the contents will be changed also to config description. Okay, awesome. And you can also create your own favicon, but for this tutorial, I'm not gonna create a new favicon. So for now, we have an awesome homepage we can showcase to our users to convince them to minting. And this page is pretty short. This is just a tutorial. Maybe you may add your own links, own Twitter links, Discord, and the OpenSea links here, and you can create a gallery out of your NFTs. And this is front-end work, but I want to keep this tutorial short and easy for everyone, so I'm not gonna drown you with so much of CSS and front-end stuff. This is enough for this tutorial. So maybe you can create your own gallery, you can showcase them on this homepage. Maybe you have a team and you want to showcase your team's Twitter accounts, maybe their images. You can put this on the homepage. You can change this file, okay? There is nothing wrong with this. And also you can change the color theme, everything. If you know about 3D stuff, then you can create a very fancy application with 3.js. So if you do, just in case, if you do anything fancy, just just let me know. Like, you can tag me on Twitter or email me somehow. Okay, you can approach me and tell me that I used this tutorial to build my own NFT minting dApp, and I have some fancy stuff to show you. You can tag me, or you can use the hashtag coding with DDM on Twitter. You can share your work. I would like to see it. Okay, guys, thank you.